Let's talk about my 9 sources of income at the age of 37 whilst living in South Africa. My name is Marshall Malava, and I just want to show you the ways that I make money online, not as a way to show off to you, but hopefully I can provide some inspiration to someone and give you a path to finding your own different streams of income that hopefully can change your life the way that they have done in my life. So, quick short story about myself. About 7, 8 years ago, I was 30, broke, moved back into my parents' house. So broke that, like, as I was looking for work, I had to ask my parents for transport money. Imagine at the age of 30. So broke, I couldn't be in a relationship. And I just made a decision that, you know what, I need something to change. Let me try and figure out this whole thing of making money online. At the point of recording this video, I just recently posted a video where I was talking about how I generated over 3.5 million rands, which is just under 200,000 US dollars from the different things that I do online. So yeah, this is my rags to riches story, the things that I did to take me from being broke to where I'm at today. Let me not waste time. Let me just get straight into it. By the way, I create these videos for free. I really would appreciate your support. You just simply hitting the like button would let me know that this is content that's bringing value to you. And also it will help for the algorithm for more people to see this content. And if you're not yet a subscriber, hit the subscribe button and the bell notification so that you know every single time when I post content like this designed to help you to make money online. The first stream of income is YouTube revenue. As you can see on your screen right now, I have been doing YouTube for, I think it's about 5 years now, because it started in 2019. The time of recording this video is 2025. And I have generated over 22,600, 700 US dollars. If you convert that to rands, that's just over 400,000 rands. And I'll be honest with you, this money really has been life-changing because there's nothing as nice as knowing that at the end of the month, you're just going to get money to pay your rent and buy food and put fuel in the car from YouTube revenue. So if you're ever thinking about starting a YouTube channel, of course, it's a bit of a journey. Of course, there's lots of things to learn. Of course, it's not as easy as most people say that it is, but it's definitely worth it because it personally has changed my life, and it's been the main tool that has allowed me to create all these different streams of income that I'm going to talk about shortly. You notice that most of them were founded on the fact that I'm actually a YouTuber. It gave me the opportunity to get these different opportunities. Just in case you're curious about how to start your own YouTube channel or more stuff about YouTube, I'm going to put a few links in the description of this video, as you can check out some videos here that will help you to get started in your own YouTube journey. Income stream number 2 is something that I started about 2 or 3 weeks ago, and it's actually making me some good money. It's this opportunity which is called Pulse Glide. And I cannot guarantee that this opportunity will be there forever, because some of these opportunities, they just come for a short space of time. But if you just check out this video right here that I'm linking right now, you see my explanation about what it is, how exactly it works. It's just an investment thing where you can actually invest in some scooters, and then you can get some daily returns. At the time of recording this, I'm getting about $14.40 every single day from making that investment. It was a $400 investment. And then I'm getting $14.40 every single day, plus a few bonuses when I tell other people about the thing. So at the time of this, please just go and watch that video. At the time of recording this, in about 2 weeks, I've made just under 1,000 US dollars back from that. So I would not normally include it in a video like this, but because it's something that is actually making money from me, I'm just including it. And like I said, it might not be here in the next 3-5 years when maybe someone else watches this video, but it's something that's making me money right now. The next income stream is brand sponsorships. Because I've got a YouTube channel, a lot of companies reach out to me and they say, hey, Marshall, we see that you've got a big audience. Please promote this product for us. And then they pay me a fixed amount of money. So some of the videos that maybe I post, like maybe I'm doing a full dedicated video about a certain software, or I'm talking about a certain company, is because those guys have actually paid me. And mostly, I'll be honest with you, because I'm based in South Africa, a lot of these companies, they delela, or I don't know how to say it in English. They kind of disrespect us because we are Africans, and they feel that they can offer us some peanuts. But I try and focus on those companies that see the value in what I do. So on average, the lowest maybe I can charge is about $500, but then the most that personally I've been paid to do a brand deal is about 3.5 US dollars. I know other YouTubers out there in South Africa like Miklali, like Lachif, Even B Pusher recently was talking about it. Some of them, they get paid a lot of crazy money to just do some sponsorships. So if you are able to build a YouTube channel that people know you, that okay, this is the guy who talks mainly around this stuff, whether it's beauty, whether it's vlogging, whether it's whatever. Some companies that have got products in that line can reach out to you and offer you some money. But advice to you, don't accept those low payments, because some people reach out to me and say that, hey, can you please advertise something for us? And they offer me like $50. Imagine having 100,000 subscribers and you're being offered $50 to create a video that will get 10,000 views or more, and that's what they're offering. So yeah, it has its ups and downs, but yeah, moving on to the next one. The next one is consultation. Because a lot of people see me on YouTube talking about these different ways of earning income online. They reach out to me and ask me to mentor them, to help them. For example, I mentor people on how to start YouTube channels. If you're interested in that, the link is going to be in the description of this video. I help people to start YouTube channels. I help people to start website design businesses. I help people to sell their own products online. So it doesn't matter which type of industry you're in or a niche. If you can prove that you're someone who has got information or knowledge in what you do by you consistently creating content about that, people will reach out to you and they'll ask for you to consult or to coach them. And that's how you can earn some extra income. So at the moment of recording this video, my lowest coaching package starts from around 10,000 rands or $500 to just coach someone maybe over a 6-week or 8-week to help them to get certain outcomes. And it's just a great way that I'm able to build income for myself. The next income stream is similar to consultations, except that the information that I give to people is actually packaged and they can access it at any time. Consultations, I do them live. In other words, like maybe I do a Zoom call and then I help someone, I train someone. But this one is online courses. I actually sit down with myself and I record a whole course and then I sell it to people. People buy my courses about YouTube, about website design, about affiliate marketing, a whole lot more. If you're interested in my courses, just check out this link here. It's going to be www.yourvarsity.com. You can see the different courses that I have on offer. It's also going to be the link in the description below. But this is something that anyone can do as long as you have got a way that you can get traffic for people to find out more about the services that you have on offer. You then can link to your website when they can buy your products. And it doesn't just have to be a course like a video course. It can be an audio course, like you just record yourself like on your phone talking, but you're giving people advice and help that they're willing to pay for. It can be an ebook. Like I spoke about digital products earlier on, it can be an ebook, and then you just call it a course. So it's something that is information that is packaged and then it's given out to people, and then they are willing to buy it because it's helping them to get a certain outcome or it's helping them to get a certain result. If you want help on maybe how to create an online course, there's also going to be another video that you can check out right here that will show you how to create and start your own online course, sell ebooks, sell courses, sell audios, you name it. Check it out. And then another stream of income that I have is software. So I think in 2023, I started a software company. It's called Creator HQ. What it does is that it allows people to build websites without having to code. Traditionally, people go to school to learn coding so that they can make websites. But on this website, you go and register, and it's a website that makes websites. So in other words, even if you're someone who has got no idea how to build websites, you'll be able to build websites in just a few minutes using the templates that are there. Plus, there's lots of videos that will be explaining to you what you need. And in fact, this is one thing that takes a lot of my time because I'm always providing customer support to different people. In fact, this year we're looking forward to actually expanding our team, getting more people involved so that I spend less time focusing on that business and more time creating videos like this to help more people. But software really has been great for me because when people use that software, they pay to use the software every single month. So it's a way of creating recurring revenue for yourself. And just to give you like a business idea, especially if you're a professional or you're someone who is working with some experience, you can actually get your own software made. That's if you know how to code yourself, or you can pay someone else to do it for you. Or here's a great hack. You can actually white label a software. You can find softwares in your industry. For example, if you're in accounting and you just go to Google and type in accounting software white label, you see many different companies that will pop up that will show you that you can actually get their software. White labeling, it means that you brand it as yourself and then you sell it as yourself. you're probably just going to be paying them a small amount of money, like maybe let's just say $99 per month. But then you can go and charge as many clients as you want and charge them whatever amount you want. So that's a great way to actually make income. It's a subscription based model, and that's why I love it. And I'm making some good money from that. And now, because I offer website design software, I also offer website design services. In fact, I actually have another YouTube channel that is mainly focused on website design. And then that's one of the ways that I get most of my website design clients. I get people who say to me, hey, Marshall, can you please build a website for us? And then I build websites. I charge from the lowest I could ever charge is $500 for just like a simple sales page. But then in general, I charge about $1,000 or more for a full website. And because I create a lot of content on YouTube about website design, I get lots of clients that are foreign or in different countries around the world, which means that I'm able to charge more money for that. If you're interested in starting your own website design business, also check out this video right here, which will show you everything that you need to know about how to start being a website designer. For me, it's website design. For you, it doesn't have to be website design. It can be anything, but you're working as a freelancer. That's what I'm trying to focus on here. The main key thing there is freelancing. You can be a graphic designer, a video editor, an accountant, a lawyer, what, it doesn't matter what it is. You can offer your services out there as a freelancer, and people are going to start paying you while you're doing your 9 to 5 or your job. You can do that as a side hustle until it becomes your main hustle. Then my next stream of income is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is when I'm simply promoting other people's products on my own platforms. It sounds similar to the first one I spoke about, which was brand sponsorships or brand deals. But the difference here is that these companies don't pay you an upfront fee. They only pay you when you get them a sale. For example, there are some softwares that I use to edit my videos or to make my videos. I talk about them in other videos as well. And then when people use those softwares, I get a commission when they make a payment every single month. So you can find great products out there that either you have used or you know about. And it doesn't even have to be softwares or physical products. It can also even be like courses. There are some people who allow you to sign up as an affiliate on their courses. You find a great course that you went through, you feel like, hey, this is a great course. You then can find a way to tell other people about it. For example, the simplest is by simply getting your affiliate link and then sharing it on WhatsApp with someone else that you know who may be interested in it. Or you could do like me, you create video content on YouTube and then you talk about that software or that course. And then if people sign up using the link that you put in the description, you're going to be getting paid your commission. And then another more practical way in terms of like, it's a physical thing that you can actually do to generate money is flipping stuff on Facebook. Now, I normally used to do this when I was broke, but then I still do it sometimes, especially if I have something that I'm not using. Basically, you find something that you want to sell. Like let's say that maybe I wanted to sell this microphone. I simply go to Facebook Marketplace. As long as you've got a Facebook account, you can do this. You go to Facebook Marketplace and list it there. And then if someone is interested in this, they will reach out to you and then you make an agreement on whatever price it is, and then that thing is sold. So you can actually take this as a business opportunity in that rather than just looking for that one thing that you have to sell, you can actually tell your friends and family that you can help them to sell their stuff, and then you become the flipping guy. Like think about it, in your contacts, you probably have maybe a minimum 100 contacts. You can message all of them on WhatsApp and say, if you've got some old things, whether it's clothes, TVs, laptops, you name it, that you want to sell, let me know, I'll sell them for you. And then you just can either collect them or you wait for someone to tell you that they want this thing. Then that's when you go and collect it, or you connect the two of them. And then obviously if someone says, I'm going to be I want to sell maybe my laptop for 2,000 rands, you put your markup and maybe make it 2,500. You get the sale between those two people to happen, and then you keep your 500 rands profit there. So you can do this for any type of item. You just need to be creative. Just go to Facebook Market, create a listing, and then you sell it. If you want me to create a full video tutorial on how to do Facebook flipping, let me know in the comment section and I'll do that for you. But now if you're listening to me and you're saying, Marshall, oh, this sounds amazing, but how do I learn these things? How do I start to learn these things so that I can actually implement them? Check out this video next, which will show you different websites where you can actually learn high income skills that you can use to start making money for yourself online.